A factory reset on your Tesla Model S restores its software to the original state, clearing user data, profiles, and customizations. It's useful for troubleshooting issues like persistent autopilot malfunctions, preparing the car for resale, or resolving software glitches. As of 2026, Tesla's resets are more integrated with their ecosystem, emphasizing security and data privacy. Key concepts in factory resetting a Tesla Model S center on understanding the difference between a full system reset and a profile wipe. A full system reset reinstalls the entire operating system and firmware, restoring the vehicle to its original software state. This comprehensive process takes about 10 to 15 minutes, followed by additional time for software reinstallation, typically requiring a stable Wi-Fi connection. It affects all system components, making it ideal for resolving deep software issues or preparing the vehicle for resale. In contrast, a profile wipe only clears user-specific data, such as driver profiles, saved destinations, media preferences, and other personalized settings. This selective approach is quicker and less disruptive, preserving the core operating system and system integrity. It's often sufficient for troubleshooting minor issues without the need for a full reinstallation. Importantly, both the full system reset and profile wipe are software-based procedures. They target the vehicle's central computer and touchscreen interface, not its hardware components. This means they don't physically alter any mechanical parts of the Tesla Model S. To access the reset options, power on your Tesla Model S. Then, tap the Tesla T logo on the touchscreen rapidly, 7 to 10 times. The exact count may vary based on the software version. This action will unlock the service menu, providing access to hidden options without needing a dealer visit. Once in the service menu, you'll see options on the vehicle's touchscreen. Select the Reset option to proceed. From the Reset menu, choose between Full System Reset or Profile Wipe based on what you need to accomplish. The Full System Reset reinstalls the entire operating system, while the Profile Wipe clears only user data like saved preferences. Before the reset begins, confirm your identity by entering the vehicle's PIN or using biometric authentication through the Tesla mobile app for 2026 models. Once confirmed, the car will reboot and connect to Tesla's servers for verification to complete the reset process. After the factory reset completes, the Tesla Model S will automatically reboot and present the initial setup screen on the touchscreen. This is the starting point for restoring the vehicle to a usable state. First, you'll need to connect the vehicle to a Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the available options and enter the password if required. A stable connection is essential for the setup process to proceed smoothly. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Tesla account. Use the same email and password associated with your Tesla profile. This step verifies ownership and allows the vehicle to access your personalized settings. Once connected and logged in, the vehicle will automatically check for and download the latest software updates from Tesla's servers. This process ensures your Model S has the most current features and security patches. Remember that once the profile data is wiped during the reset, it cannot be recovered without contacting Tesla support. They'll require identity verification to assist with any data restoration, so consider backing up important settings beforehand. Tesla's 2025 updates integrated AI for predictive diagnostics, suggesting resets based on vehicle analysis. Remote resets can now be initiated via the Tesla mobile app for vehicles with full self-driving FSD subscriptions, but require owner consent to prevent unauthorized use. Resets also now back up select data like supercharger history. Let's examine real-world case studies to understand the practical applications of Tesla factory resets. For resale preparation, a California Tesla Model S owner performed a full system reset before selling their vehicle through Tesla's marketplace. This process cleared 50 gigabytes of personal data in just 12 minutes, ensuring complete privacy and giving the buyer a like-new experience with no residual information. In a troubleshooting scenario, a Model S equipped with full self-driving was experiencing phantom braking, a common software glitch where the vehicle brakes unexpectedly. After running diagnostics, a profile wipe resolved the issue without requiring a full system reset, highlighting the value of selective resets for targeted problem solving. For fleet management, commercial operators using Tesla Model S vehicles for rideshare services implement automated resets after each rental through API integrations. This automated process wipes user profiles to prevent data cross-contamination between renters and maintains vehicle performance, reducing overall maintenance costs. Experts from automotive tech sites emphasize that factory resets are crucial for maintaining optimal performance amid frequent software updates. Surveys show that 62% of Tesla Model S owners perform at least one reset annually for software stability. Tesla's data indicates that resets resolve 45% of reported issues without requiring dealer visits.